Mastering slang. Understanding the phrase, a big shot. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson on English slang. Today, we're going to unlock the meaning behind the phrase, a big shot. If you've ever heard someone described this way and found yourself puzzled, worry no more. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in conversation. So, let's dive in and add another expression to your English language arsenal. So, what exactly does it mean when someone is referred to as a big shot? This phrase is a colloquial expression used to describe a person who is considered important, influential, or high-ranking in a particular area or profession. It often implies that the person has a lot of power or authority, and sometimes it suggests that they have a high opinion of themselves. It's always interesting to see where slang comes from, and a big shot is no exception. The term shot in this context likely originated from the idea of someone who calls the shots, meaning they make important decisions. Over time, a big shot became a popular way to refer to someone who is a major player in their field. Now, let's look at how to use a big shot properly in sentences. Describing someone's importance. He's a big shot in the tech industry. He's been instrumental in developing new technologies. Ironically or humorously, look at you, ordering the most expensive wine on the list. Aren't we a big shot now? In a cautionary way, she may be a big shot at the office, but at home, she's just like the rest of us. Remember, this phrase can be versatile, but it's often used in informal settings. If you're looking for other ways to express the same idea without using the term, a big shot, here are some synonyms. Mogul, often used to refer to a powerful businessperson. VIP, stands for very important person. Bigwig, informal term similar in meaning to a big shot. Using different terms helps to vary your language and can also convey slightly different nuances. I hope this explainer has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, a big shot, for you. Whether you're describing someone influential in a corporate setting, or just teasing a friend, you now know how to do it like a pro. Keep practicing your English and incorporating new slang into your conversations. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English language content. See you next time.